We'll talk about the age, at what age the cataract develops. So cataract usually is very common age above 55 years of age. It's very common, and it's normal to have cataract at that age. By definition, if we goes, then it is like we call it age related nuclear cataract. So it means the people above 45 years of age will start developing it. Not necessary that you have to get operated at an early stage, but slowly as it starts developing, and once your surgeon advises you to go for the surgery, please go for it. Nowadays, especially after COVID, because of excessive usage of steroids, because it was needed for your lungs and all, the incidence of cataract has increased quite a lot, especially in younger population. Nowadays we see cataract at 40 also, at 35 also. It was there earlier, but nowadays it is little common at this age as well. So cataract is, like I said earlier also, it's age related. It is nothing to be worried about. It is treatable. It is very easily treatable. Now the surgeries are very smaller, hardly 15-20 minutes of procedure. There will be no sutures, means no stitches, no injections. It will be pain free for you. The hospital stay is also not very longer. It will be for few hours. There will be no in-admission process. It's a very easy way to treat. So don't worry about it. You're just consult with your doctor. They will help you out. They will counsel you what needs to be done. Just don't run away from it. Don't ignore it. It is something which is needed to be dealt with. So please go and get your eye checkup done. Get your full eye checkup done. Make sure that the doctor is checking your retina as well as lens status, everything, and whatever your doctor advises, please go for it.